Hello everyone and welcome back to Beyond Words channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Jessica, and today we are going to talk about how to build your confidence.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Jessica, how are you today? Are you feeling good?
Yes, I am feeling great today, Daniel. Thank you for asking.
That is wonderful. So let me ask you something first. How is your week going?
My week is going well. I have been busy, but it is a good kind of busy.
I understand. I also had a busy week, but here we are talking together today.
Yes, and I love our topic today. Confidence is very important in life.
I totally agree. Today, we are going to talk about confidence, what it means, why it's important, and how to build it.
I think many people want to be more confident. It's something a lot of us work on every day.
That is so true, and it's a great topic for our listeners, too. So let's start. Jessica, what does the word confidence mean to you?
For me, confidence means believing in yourself. It means thinking, I can do this.
Oh, I like that. I can do this. That is a very simple and strong idea.
Yes, and confidence is not about being perfect. It's about trying even when you're not sure.
Wow, that is a really good point. Not perfect, just trying. I like that. So, Jessica, let me ask you, were you always a confident person? When you were young, were you confident?
That's a good question. No, actually. When I was young, I was very shy.
Oh, really? You seem so confident now.
Thank you. But yes, when I was a child, I did not like to speak in front of other people. I was always afraid.
That's interesting. What were you afraid of?
I was afraid of making mistakes. I thought, what if I say the wrong thing? What if people laugh at me?
Oh, I think many people feel the same way. That fear of making mistakes is very common.
Yes, very common. But I learned something very important. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you grow.
I agree. That is a very good lesson. Mistakes help you grow. I love that.
And I also learned everyone makes mistakes. Even very confident people make mistakes every day.
That is so true. So, Jessica, how did you start to build your confidence? What did you do?
The first thing I did was small steps. I started with very small things like saying hello to someone new each day.
Small steps. That sounds very easy and practical.
Yes, small steps are very powerful. Each small step gives you a little bit more confidence.
Okay, so small steps are the first thing. What was the second thing you did?
The second thing was positive self-talk. That means talking to yourself in a kind and positive way.
Oh, interesting. Can you give us an example?
Yes. Instead of saying, I cannot do this, I started saying, I will try my best. That small change helped a lot.
Wow, so changing the words you use, even in your own mind, can change how you feel.
Exactly. Words are very powerful. The words you say to yourself every day are very important.
That is a great tip. What about body language? Does that help with confidence?
Oh, yes, absolutely. Body language is very important. When you stand tall and smile, you actually feel more confident.
Really? So just standing tall can make you feel better inside?
Yes, it sounds funny, but it's true. Your body and your mind talk to each other. When your body is confident, your mind follows.
That sounds interesting. I will try that today.
Yes, please try it. Stand up straight, shoulders back, and smile. See how you feel.
Okay, listeners, let's all try that together right now. Stand tall and smile.
I love that, Daniel. We're doing confidence exercises in a podcast.
Yes, we are. So, Jessica, let me ask one more question. Is there anything else you do to feel more confident?
Yes, one more thing. Preparation. When I prepare well for something, I feel much more confident.
Oh, that makes sense. Like before a job interview. If you prepare, you feel ready.
Exactly. Preparation is like giving yourself a gift. You feel ready, so you feel confident.
I love that. Preparation is a gift to yourself. Very beautiful way to say it.
Thank you. So, in short, small steps, positive self-talk, good body language, and preparation.
Those are 4 wonderful tips for building confidence. Let's remember all of them. What about you, listeners? Which one of these 4 tips do you want to try first? Please write your answer in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
Yes, we really want to know what you think. Your comments mean so much to us.
Now, Jessica, let me ask, what about speaking a new language? Do you think confidence is important for language learning too?
Oh, absolutely. I think confidence is one of the most important things for learning English.
Can you explain why? Many of our listeners are learning English right now.
Of course. When you are afraid to speak, you stop trying. But when you are confident, you speak more. And when you speak more, you improve faster.
So, confidence and language learning go together. They help each other.
Yes, exactly. The more you speak, the more confident you become. And the more confident you are, the more you speak. It's a beautiful circle.
A beautiful circle. I love that. So, for our listeners who are learning English, be brave, speak more, and confidence will come.
Yes, making mistakes in English is okay. Every mistake is a step forward, not a step back.
That is so encouraging. Thank you, Jessica. Okay, now let's look at some useful English words and phrases from today's conversation.
Great idea. There were some really good words in this episode.
First, let's talk about the word confidence. CON-fi-dence. 3 syllables. It means believing in yourself.
And the adjective is confident. Confident. For example, she is very confident.
Good. So confidence is a noun. Confident is an adjective. Different endings, different jobs in the sentence.
Next, let's talk about the phrase self-talk. This means the things you say to yourself in your mind.
Yes, self-talk can be positive or negative. Positive self-talk helps you feel strong. Negative self-talk makes you feel small.
Example of positive self-talk: I am learning and getting better every day.
Example of negative self-talk: I always make mistakes. I'm not good enough. We want to avoid that kind of thinking.
Exactly. Replace the negative words with positive ones. It really works.
Now, let's look at a grammar point. Jessica, you said, I was afraid. Can you explain that?
Yes, I was afraid. This is the past tense of I am afraid. Am is the present. Was is the past.
Right. Am and was are both forms of the verb to be. They're irregular verbs.
An irregular verb means the past tense form does not follow the normal rule of adding ed.
For example, a regular verb, I walk, becomes I walked. Simple. Just add ed.
But I am does not become I ammed. It becomes I was. That's irregular.
That is a very useful explanation. Let's give some more examples.
Good idea. I go, past tense is I went, not I goed. Irregular.
I have, past tense is I had, not I halved. Also irregular.
These irregular verbs are very common in English. It's important to practice them.
Now, let's talk about a useful phrase from today. Jessica said, small steps are very powerful. Let's look at the word powerful.
Yes, powerful means very strong. The root word is power. Power plus the ending full makes powerful.
We can do the same with other words. Beautiful becomes beauty plus full. Helpful becomes help plus full.
Great examples. Adding full to a noun makes an adjective. Very useful to know.
Now, let's practice pronunciation. The word confidence. Let's say it slowly. Con-fi-dence.
Con-fi-dence. The stress is on the first syllable. Confidence. Try it with me. Confidence.
Very good. Listeners, please repeat out loud, confidence. Say it 3 times.
Saying words out loud is very important for learning. It helps your mouth remember the sound.
That is a great tip. The more you say it, the more natural it becomes.
Yes, practice makes perfect, or in our case, practice makes confident.
I like that. Practice makes confident. That is our new saying for today.
Let me also share one very useful sentence for everyday life. I believe in myself.
That is a useful sentence. Short, simple, and very powerful.
Yes, many people use it every day. You can say it in the morning when you wake up.
Let's give another example sentence with the word believe.
Great idea. I believe I can do this. Or she believes in her students.
Good. Believe is a regular verb.
Present, I believe. Past, I believed. Just add D.
That's right. Believe follows the regular rule. Good contrast with our irregular verbs from earlier.
Excellent. Listeners, try to use the word believe in a sentence today. Believe in yourself.
Daniel, I want to ask our listeners something too.
Of course, go ahead.
Listeners, is there a moment in your life when you felt really confident? What were you doing? Please write your answer in the comments below.
Yes, use this sentence. I felt confident when I blank. Fill in the blank and share with us.
And if you're enjoying this podcast, please like and subscribe. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, when you like and subscribe, more people can find us and learn English too.
And you can share this episode with a friend who is learning English. It's always more fun to learn together.
Absolutely. Learning with a friend is a great way to practice speaking too. So, Jessica, let me ask you one more question. What is your biggest piece of advice for someone who wants to become more confident?
My biggest advice is just start. Don't wait until you feel confident. Start now, and confidence will come.
Wow, just start. That is so simple but so powerful.
Many people wait. They say, I will try when I feel ready. But the truth is, you become ready by trying.
That is one of the best things I have heard in a long time. You become ready by trying.
Action creates confidence. Waiting does not.
I am going to write that down. Action creates confidence. Listeners, write that down too.
Yes, put it somewhere you can see it every morning.
Great idea. Your phone screen, your mirror, your desk, anywhere you look every day.
Small reminders like that really do make a difference over time.
They really do. Okay, let me give a quick summary of what we talked about today.
Great. A summary is always helpful for our listeners.
Number 1, take small steps. Number 2, use positive self-talk. Number 3, use good body language. Number 4, prepare well.
And number 5, just start. Action creates confidence.
5 great tips for building confidence. And we also learned some English today: vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation.
Yes, we learned about regular and irregular verbs, the word confidence, and the sentence, I believe in myself.
Learning English and building confidence really do go hand in hand.
They do. Every time you speak English, you are building confidence. Every time you build confidence, your English gets better.
That beautiful circle again. I love it.
Yes, the beautiful circle of learning.
Before we finish, I want to say thank you so much, Jessica. This was a truly wonderful conversation.
Thank you for having me, Daniel. I really enjoyed talking with you today. This topic is so close to my heart.
We hope our listeners enjoyed it too. And we hope you all feel a little more confident after listening today.
Remember, you are already brave for listening and learning English every day. That takes real confidence.
Yes, just by pressing play today, you showed confidence. We're proud of you.
And please keep going. Every episode, every word, every sentence, it all adds up. You are doing great.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today very much.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who is learning English.
See you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep building that confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.